Welcome to Review Rumble. The best XR back glass is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components when your beloved iPhone XR suffers an unfortunate drop, transforming its sleek design into a shattered mess. Don't let a cracked rear panel diminish your phone's aesthetic appeal or compromise its water resistance. Finding a high-quality replacement is crucial to restoring its original glory and protecting its internal components from dust and moisture. Number 5. iPhone XR Screen Replacement Kit. Is your iPhone XR screen damaged? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to bring it back to life. It's designed specifically for the 6.1-inch iPhone XR model. Ensure a perfect match for your device. This kit is exclusively for iPhone XR and will not work with other models like X, XS, or 11. Save both time and money with this complete repair package. It includes all necessary tools, a tempered glass protector, and clear instructions, making your device feel new again without extra purchases. Installation is straightforward with our step-by-step guide. Remember to test it before final installation and disconnect your phone's battery. You'll need to transfer the ear speaker, front camera, and proximity sensor from your old screen to this one. We stand by the quality of our product, with each unit double-tested for 100% functionality. It comes with a 12-month warranty for non-human factors, offering full returns or replacements if needed. Backed by 14 years of industry experience, we offer high quality at a compatible price, coupled with excellent service. Buy with confidence, knowing you're getting the best value. What we like. This isn't just a back glass, it's a complete screen replacement kit. It comes with everything you need to fully restore your display. If you have a cracked front screen and want a comprehensive repair solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract information. Number 4. OEM iPhone XR Back Glass Replacement Kit. Is your iPhone XR's back glass cracked or damaged? Don't worry, we have the perfect solution to restore its pristine look. This replacement part is made of high-quality glass, ensuring an OEM original fit for your iPhone XR 6.1 inches. It's been rigorously tested to guarantee a perfect match. We've included a professional repair toolkit and a detailed manual to guide you through every step. You'll just need a heat gun or hair dryer to prepare for the installation. Forget about messy glues. This replacement comes with strong, pre-installed 3M double-sided adhesive. This makes installation quick and hassle-free, saving you valuable time. Its innovative design features a bigger camera hole than the original. This means you won't need to remove your camera lens, simplifying the entire replacement process. Enjoy risk-free shopping with our 12-month quality warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This option boasts an OEM original quality glass for a perfect fit. Its standout feature is the bigger camera hole, simplifying installation significantly. If you are looking for an easy, hassle-free replacement that avoids camera lens removal, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 3. OEM iPhone XR 6.1 Back Glass Replacement Kit Blue. This replacement part is crafted from high-quality glass, ensuring an OEM original fit for your device. Each piece is meticulously tested by professionals before shipping, guaranteeing perfect compatibility. It comes with a professional repair toolkit and a detailed manual. These resources will guide you through every step of the installation process, making it straightforward. This replacement features strong, pre-installed 3M double-sided adhesive. This makes installation quick and easy, eliminating the need for additional glue and saving you time. It boasts a larger camera hole than the original, simplifying installation. You won't need to remove the camera lens, simply place it directly after removing the old glass. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Also offering OEM quality, this replacement includes a professional toolkit to guide your repair. It features strong, pre-installed 3M adhesive, saving you time and ensuring a secure fit. If you value convenience and a straightforward installation process without needing extra glue, this is a great pick. What people say. Number 2. iPhone XR Back Glass Replacement Kit. Is your iPhone XR's back glass cracked or damaged? This replacement kit is designed to bring it back to its original sleek look. It is specifically engineered for the iPhone XR 6.1-inch model. Please note, it is not compatible with iPhone X or iPhone XS. Each package includes the back glass with pre-installed tape, detailed installation instructions, and all necessary repair tools. Everything you need is right here. You won't need to remove your phone's camera lens. This replacement features a larger camera hole, simplifying the installation process significantly. After carefully removing the old, broken glass, you can directly install this new piece. The pre-installed tape ensures a secure and straightforward fit. What we like. What sets this product apart is that it comes as a two-piece set, offering excellent value. Both pieces include pre-installed tape and a larger camera hole for easier fitting. If you want a backup, or are repairing multiple devices, this multi-pack is your best bet. What people say. Number 1. Premium iPhone XR Back Glass Replacement Kit. We understand you want the best quality without overspending. This product uses the same thick, color-matched glass as the original, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. It's designed to be the best of its kind. Offline repairs can be costly, often starting at $200. This kit offers a significant saving, allowing you to fix your phone yourself. Imagine the satisfaction of restoring it with your own hands. Based on customer feedback, we've included pre-installed, strong double-sided adhesive. This eliminates the need for messy glue and prevents issues like evaporation during transit. Installation is now simpler than ever. A common hassle is removing the camera lens. With this product, the XR back cover's camera hole is slightly larger, allowing direct installation. You can replace it without extra steps. Our kit has been developed and approved by professional cell phone repair staff. We've maximized convenience for you without increasing the overall cost. We truly want your repair experience to be smooth. While our online brand may be new, our commitment is to you, the customer. We are a traditional company transitioning online, determined to provide excellent products and service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This replacement emphasizes premium, thick glass material with no color difference from the original. It's designed to save you money compared to professional repair shops, while maintaining high quality. If you prioritize an original look and feel, and want to save on repair costs, this is a strong contender. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.